Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is Boris'Builds. I'm Boris, and today we have a new tool day unboxing. Alright, this is the Genmitsu 3020 Pro Max V2. You gotta love when they keep adding things to the title, right? Not only was it 3020, then there was a 3020 Pro, then out came a 3020 Pro Max, and this is the V2 of that. Second version. I've been waiting for this for the last couple days. It came really early. Oh yeah, that's awesome. We got the user manual here. And let's see what we got. Woo-hoo! That looks pretty nice. Seems pretty legit, if you ask me. Everything looks... That's thick metal. Wow. That looks quite sturdy. The reason I bought this is because they say it's very sturdy. Okay, here it all is. First impressions are it's built really well. Everything seems to move freely. Everything seems real sturdy, which is exactly what I was looking for in this. I got everything I need to get going on this. Yeah, because the controller and everything is already built onto the back of the gantry. So everything's already all wired up, ready to go. You literally just got to bolt it together, plug it in, and you're going. Put the feet on it, stuff like that. I can't wait to get this going, and I'm going to get this assembled as quickly as possible. Okay, I got this thing all set up. It's working really good. I did a couple little projects. I'll show those in a little bit. But one of the first big projects I'm doing is a tool holding tray. I should have room for my bits, my collets, and my calipers, as well as a couple little pockets for who knows what. I am kind of blown away by how well this worked right out of the box. I got to do some work to trim in the spindle, and I think I need to make my own spoil board and flatten it. I'm running it very slowly because I'm not quite sure what this thing can do yet. It's doing a good job. So here it is all done. You know, it turned out pretty good. It holds my calipers and some bits, collets, more bits, wrenches and Allen keys. But then I mounted it on this floating laptop tray. And it's pretty awesome. That makes it... You can swing it around, tuck it away. Once I get the extension kit put on, I got the extension kit with it. I just figured I'd try it out before I took it all apart and put it back together. Once I get the extension kit on, I'll be able to make a board bigger that fits everything I need. So stay tuned for that. But right now I'm just working on some coasters. I didn't set my depth properly, or my zeroing is off. I think of the probe, it's about 0.5 millimeter off. So yeah, I'll have to deal with that. But yeah, turned out awesome. So yeah, one awesome feature of it being on the laptop dealie, it's like a floating laptop stand, I think is what they called it. But I can tuck it right up over here. It's nice and out of the way, but if you're working on the CNC, you know, you can bring it down, bring it right where you need it, and it's right there. I also just had a bit of an epiphany about this machine. I would be more than capable of doing most of the things this can do, such as this, with tools I have in my shop. However, the accuracy that I demand of myself would take me forever to actually get that done. Whereas this guy, what I design, he puts out. So you're paying for the accuracy. right? Not the time savings. This is a failed engraving. I didn't have the bit height set right, but I'm going to let it stop, return to 0, and then try again. But I can't wait for that one to come out. It'll be pretty sweet. I'm going to try and do some coasters next, I think. But yeah, first impressions are this is a well-built machine, capable of moderate work. Like, that's 1/2-inch plywood. It took forever to do, but I also had to learn the feeds and speeds, right? I had the feeds and feeds set way too low at first. Once I ramped it up, I cut the time in half. This engraving right here takes about 50 minutes, but I didn't have the bit set properly, so now it's going to take 100 minutes, right? That's the learning curve with this, I think. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you made it this far, please consider liking or subscribing, dropping a comment maybe, and, you know, have fun out there and keep making stuff.